Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you want to give your home's windows a fresh and attractive look, then you're in the right place. We all dream of having a beautiful and stylish home, and window curtains play a significant role in achieving that. In today's video, we're going to take you on a colorful and creative journey where we'll showcase some of the best and trendiest window curtain designs. Whether your style is classic, modern, or a bit bohemian, we've got something special for everyone. We'll show you how to choose the perfect curtains to give your home's interior a new and appealing look. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's special video and explore the world of window curtain designs with a fresh perspective. Enjoy video. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some great ideas for your windows. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see how you've styled your windows, so leave a comment below. See you in the next video.